Good morning, student. Welcome to online classes from PG Senior Secondary School, Captainganj, Kushinagar. Myself, Ravindra Kumar Sharma, PhD Computer Science. Today, I am going to start your next chapter, Chapter 2, Operating System. In this chapter, we will learn about different topics like operating system, popular operating system, function of operating system, the operating system environment as CUI and GUI, open source operating system and utility program. First, we start operating system. An operating system is just like an executive manager. An operating system just like an executive manager. It manages all the input and output devices and internal function of the computer, like input devices, peripheral devices and hardware component. It is a bridge between hardware and user. It means user and the hardware. Users cannot access hardware component without operating system. So, operating system is a bridge between user and hardware. Here, we need operating system. Operating system controls hardware devices like CPU, RAM, memory, etc. As well as operating system control hardware and user and system software also. System software also. We know that system software includes operating system, utility program, and so on. The term operating system, to understand, we can take an example like switch and fan. Without switch, we cannot start the fan. Operating system is just like this. When we want to start a fan, we have to push the switch. It means we have to switch on. After switch on the button, the fan is started. So, behind the switch, there are lots of wire. It cannot handle by the users. Same operating system is an interface between user and hardware. Without operating system, user cannot access any program and hardware cannot access. So, example of the fan switch, we switch on the button, then fan will start. And behind the switch there are lots of wire. User cannot manage. So operating system is same as switch. So we can say switch is an interface between fan and user. So we can say the operating system is communication between hardware and software and user. Next we have operating system. Example of operating system. In 1970, some popular Windows operating system came under Microsoft companies. The first Windows operating system came in 1985. Windows version 1.0, and later 1990 the others popular operating system came. It is called QDOS. The full form of QDOS is Quick and Dirty Operating System. Quick and dirty operating system. After that, the one company that had purchased and modified in quick and dirty operating system, in the next version, it is called MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. The full form of MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. It is managed by the Seattle Computer. Seattle Computer is an organization. It sold the software to MS company, and MS means Microsoft company, and Microsoft company introduced DOS operating system. It means disk operating system. So these are the older version of the operating system. And 1990, after some new popular Windows operating system came, just like Windows 1 to 10. Windows 1, Windows 2, 3, 3.1 and 7, 8, 8.1, 10. These are the example of Windows operating system. It is the latest operating system, Windows 10. Next, function of operating system. Next we have function of operating system. Operating system controls and manages all the input and output devices, memory and so other tasks. It manages all the function of the computer. It controls the flow of the CPU, which type of task is performed by a CPU. So we know that CPU is called brain of the computer. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. The next function of operating system is it check inside the computer what is the errors and other mistakes in the internal part of the computer. Like when we want to print a photo, so we have to print a file. So operating system manages files and other programs. The next function of the operating system is it controls peripheral devices like printer, speakers, etc. So these are the function of operating system. Next we have the operating environment. Operating environment is two types, CUI and GUI. What is CUI and GUI? Operating environment. Operating system provides the interface to the user in two parts, GUI and CUI. First, GUI. The full form of GUI is graphical user interface. It means when a user wants to access application software, so operating system provides an icon to manipulate the solution of the user. Like if the user want to open any application software, so if the application software is just like Paint program, so Paint is an icon situated at the computer. Users have to use the pointer to open the application software. And GUI is based on WIMP. W is Windows, I means icons, M means menu, and P means pointer. So graphical user interface is based on WIMP Wimp means windows, icons, menu and pointer. If the user want to open any type of application program just like pen, so pen, the pointer used by the users, and after selecting the pen program, it will open as windows. The program opened with windows named MS Paint. Before opening the application software, users have to use start buttons. Start button provides a menu, the list of the program. Users one by one moves to the program and go to the pen. So the options are used by the user is called menu. It means menu is situated inside the start button, and start button provides menu to open the application software. Next we have CUI. Before knowing the CUI, once again we are discussing about GUI. GUI means in this environment, users have to communicate with graphical user interface, including windows, icons, menu and pointer. Next we have CUI. CUI stands for Character User Interface. CUI, Character User Interface. Some operating systems are managed by command line user. It is called CUI, Character User Interface. If user want to give the command by using character user interface, then users have to write the command. Users have to write the command. If the syntax of CUI is C my file dot add. If the user want to copy from C drive, then paste the floppy drive. So A my file dot AE. So user have to write the command like this, and after writing this command, users can communicate by using character user interface. So the C drive copied the file my file.f, and the users move the paste the copy to A drive, it means floppy drive, and paste there. Next we have open source operating system. Open source operating system means all the source code is available for everybody. Means a source code is available for everybody. Open source operating system.